Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make medium steak jelly. Achieving that incredibly tender, almost melt-in-your-mouth texture for a medium steak requires careful attention to detail. We'll start by selecting the right cut, like a beautiful ribeye or a flavorful chuck eye, ensuring it has good marbling. Proper seasoning is also key, so don't be shy with your coarse salt and freshly ground pepper. These initial steps lay the foundation for an exceptionally tender result. The reverse sear method is your secret weapon for a truly tender medium steak. Begin by placing your seasoned steak in a low oven, around 250 degrees Fahrenheit, until its internal temperature reaches 120 degrees Fahrenheit. This slow cooking ensures even doneness throughout. Then, transfer it to a screaming hot cast iron pan with a touch of high smoke point oil, searing for just 1 to 2 minutes per side to develop a beautiful, flavorful crust. Another fantastic method for achieving that jelly-like medium steak is sous vide. Submerge your vacuum-sealed steak in a water bath set precisely to 135 degrees Fahrenheit for at least 2 hours. This gentle, consistent cooking ensures every part of the steak reaches perfect medium doneness without overcooking. After its bath, pat the steak completely dry and give it a rapid, high-heat sear in a hot pan for about 60 seconds per side to create a wonderful, savory crust. After cooking, the most crucial step for a truly tender steak is resting. Place your steak on a cutting board and let it rest for a minimum of 10 minutes or even 15 minutes for thicker cuts. This allows the muscle fibers to relax and reabsorb those delicious juices, preventing them from running out when you slice. Finally, slice your steak against the grain into half-inch thick pieces to maximize tenderness and enjoy that incredible, jelly-like medium texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.